Hello everyone, today I'm here to teach you a little about how to cook lamb shank Middle Eastern styles. So I already have these two shanks and I've marinated them with black pepper and some parsley. I will do the same thing on the other side, or the other side. While letting them marinate, obviously as long as you wish, the longer the better, I'm going to saute my onion, a big onion I need. I have already 1/2 onion and this one to cut and saute this in oil. For sauteing my onion, I first need to add some oil, obviously, to the pot and heat the oil. So I've already add half 1/3 cup oil to the pot. I don't like too much oil in my food, that's why I don't use it much. But it's up to you if you want to use 1/4 cup. When the oil is hot enough, you add the onion to be sauteed. I slowly move the onion in the pot and make sure there is not any big pieces. I cover the pot and let the onion be there for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I'm back and add the garlic that I already cut in small pieces. At the same time, I add the ground turmeric. You can add 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Again, I let it for a few minutes to saute. Onion and garlic are sauteed enough. That's enough for a few minutes because they're gonna cook again with the meat. Now I'm going to add the lamb shanks. So I'll let this cook for at least 20 minutes on a mid temperature, not too high, not too low. As you see, I haven't added any water, not yet, because I want to saute the lamb before adding the water. Here I'm back after a few minutes to turn over the shank and make sure that both sides get sauteed. You see how nice it's getting sauteed. Back again in a few minutes and turn it again over to make sure, like this side, you see the front side. I want to saute the front side too. The same for this. Because I see it's not sauteed here. This side. Okay. I'll let this saute and then again I will check, make sure that this side also gets sauteed. Okay, I'm back again and check it. Now after I make sure all sides are well sauteed, I will add a teaspoon of butter and also a few orange peels. You see? That gives a great aroma to the lamb shank. Alright, I let the butter melt and then I will add some water and let it cook for 2 hours. So it is really good. Now I'm going to add the water. I like to heat the water before adding it to the pot. So you see it covers almost half the shank. Oh. And then I let it cook after it boils, first with high heat, and then I will let it boil with low heat. Medium heat better, even depending on which kind of stove you're using. Okay, I'm back after 1.5 hours to add the salt and also some potato that I sauteed in half teaspoon of butter and with black pepper, parsley, and also turmeric powder. I'm gonna add this, and then I add 1 tablespoon of salt. I didn't add the salt at the beginning because when you add the salt, it takes longer to cook. The meat takes longer to cook. Now, so you can taste it a little bit, like at this step, or you could taste it before adding the salt to see how much salt your meat needs. But if you add it at the beginning, yeah, you can't change it anymore. It might become too salty. So I'm going to move this over here and I let it cook 20 minutes. Yeah, the meat is almost ready. It's tender. And after 20 minutes, it's gonna be perfect. So depending on the type of stove you're using and the pot that you're using, and also how fresh your meat is, the time that you need to cook the meat varies. So if the meat is fresher, it takes much less time to cook. This meat I bought it from Walmart, so it's not that fresh, so it took me longer to cook it. So I'll be back again in 20 minutes. I'm back again, and it seems that 10 minutes was enough for the potato to cook. Yeah, I already tried it's cooked, and this is also cooked, so it's time to serve it. Okay, here's the shank with potatoes. Hope you enjoy preparing and eating it. Please leave your question in the comment section and I will answer to them. Thank you so much. Have a good day.